Yo, welcome back to the Broke Blueprint, where we turn struggle into strategy. Let me ask you something real quick. Ever feel like you're stuck on a treadmill, running fast, working hard, but going nowhere financially? You're not alone. But here's the thing. There is a secret sauce to becoming wealthy. And no, it's not about luck, inheritance, or even having the perfect job. It's a blueprint, and today, I'm gonna give it to you. Simple, real, actionable. If you're tired of being broke and ready to break the cycle, hit that like button and smash subscribe, because this channel is literally built for you. Most people are broke, not because they're lazy, but because they've been programmed to think small. We're taught to trade time for money. But wealthy people, they trade ideas, skills, and assets. The broke mindset says, I can't afford it. The wealth mindset says, how can I afford it? Change your questions, change your wealth. All right, let's break down the actual sauce, the stuff they don't teach in school. You ready? First skill, money follows value. If you can solve a problem, you can get paid. Whether it's coding, editing videos, flipping items, or creating content, learn a skill that makes money. Don't chase money, chase mastery. Second scale, one-on-one work equals money. One-to-many equals wealth. You can only mow so many lawns, but you can sell a digital product to thousands. That's scale. One-to-one work equals income. One-to-many equals freedom. 3. Systems, automation, outsourcing, and investing. Your systems should make money while you sleep. Hustle to build leverage. Here's what nobody tells you. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about time, freedom, and control. You could be making 100K a year and still broke if you hate your life, have no free time, and live paycheck to paycheck. Being rich is having money. Being wealthy is having time. You need to build wealth on your terms, not to impress people, but to free yourself. That is the goal. So if you're serious, like really serious, about leaving the broke life behind, here's your next move. Step 1, pick a skill, any skill, learn it, master it. Step 2, find a way to scale it. Content, digital products, automation, pick your lane. Step 3, build a system around it. Don't hustle forever. Hustle to build leverage. If you want real strategies, not just hype, subscribe right now. And if you found any value in this video, drop a comment with the word blueprint, so I know you're part of the tribe. This is the Broke Blueprint. We're rewriting the rules, one episode at a time. Stay broke, on purpose, so you never have to be broke again. Subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs it.